this video, I'm going to show how I get a torque reading into my data acquisition computers. Here's the absorber, and this is a torque arm coming off of it. If this bolt were removed, this would rotate freely on here. So when there's water in the absorber and the engine's running with a load, it pushes down on this. And attached here is an S-type load cell, and it's rated for up to 1,000 pounds of force. Once you know how much force is being applied to this load cell, and you know the distance from here to the center line of the absorber, if you multiply those together, you get foot-pounds. There's a 5-wire cable that runs from the load cell here into the console where the data acquisition computers are. The cable from the load cell comes in through here into this connector, and then down here into this load cell amplifier board. The wires coming from the load cell are all color coded, and the board tells you where to put each colored wire. So it makes the connection quite easy. I got this amplifier board from a place called Sparkfun, and it has an HX711 integrated circuit on it. And then it just goes from the board to this Raspberry Pi. Now I'm going to start the program that reads the data in from the load cell amplifier. The weight value that you see there is the force that the load cell is seeing. The torque number is calculated from the weight number and the distance from the center of the absorber to the load cell. And now I'm just going to walk back out into the engine room and manually push on the load cell so you can see this working. If you saw my previous video about how I read the RPM in, and now that you see that I'm also reading in the torque, I've got everything that I need to calculate horsepower.